Updating your billing address with First Interstate Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the First Interstate Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select billing address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new billing address in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that your new billing address is recorded. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for confirmation of the address change. Keeping your billing information up to date is important for seamless banking experiences.